Looking to streamline your HubSpot operations without paying an arm and a leg? Hi, I'm Jacob, and today I'll show you examples of how you can integrate with Vendasta with HubSpot to help you do things like keep any kind of object up to date in HubSpot, start Vendasta custom email campaigns from HubSpot forms, and even manage custom lead routing at the same time. By powering your business with Vendasta's automations and APIs, you don't need to pay for every premium HubSpot feature and still enjoy seamless workflows. Let's dive in.
Vendasta's custom fields let you store the information your business needs for accounts, users, orders, and products. And with Vendasta's webhook automations, it's super easy to get that information shared to HubSpot and updated. First, you choose the type of thing you want to store data for and what kind of data it could be, like a number, or a selection from a menu, or any string of text you want. To get those custom fields sent to HubSpot, you will create a new automation. Select a trigger that will tell our automation when to send information to HubSpot. For our example, we will choose Account Custom Data Fields are updated. We will select the action, trigger a webhook, and scroll down to the Add Additional Fields so we can send the information to HubSpot. You can select your newly created custom fields by selecting Custom Data Details, Business Custom Data, and then any of the custom fields we created. Now, whenever we update a custom field in Vendasta, we can use that webhook to update fields via API or any third-party integration service.
Using Vendasta's APIs, you can not only send data from Vendasta to HubSpot, but from HubSpot to Vendasta as well. With the right integration setup, you don't need to pay for higher tier HubSpot subscriptions to get the flexibility and power your business needs.
HubSpot's marketing forms are great for capturing inbound leads, but once the form is submitted, you need a more expensive HubSpot subscription to create marketing journeys with conditional logic. You can use Vendasta's Create Sales Account API to create an account with all of the data points you want from a HubSpot form, and then build the marketing journey using Vendasta's automations. Set up an automation with the trigger when an account is created and add some conditions to make it only run for certain customers, like accounts that have been tagged after submitting a certain form, for example. From there, the possibilities are nearly endless. You can create branching paths based on where they are located, if they click an email within a certain time frame, or maybe one of the custom fields you created in Vendasta and captured with the HubSpot form.
By using Vendasta's automations with HubSpot forms, you could save $12,000 a year in subscription costs and still deliver a tailored marketing experience.
To help distribute the leads you get from your HubSpot form, you can use if-else branches, rate filters, or A/B branches to make sure your leads are not only getting assigned equally, but to the people who are best able to close that lead. Let's say all accounts created by your HubSpot form have the tag #HubSpot form. On your trigger, set a condition so the automation only starts when an account has the tag #HubSpot form. If you want to assign your leads to a sales team by state, for example, simply add an if-else branch and choose as many different branches as you do have sales teams. Further down the automation, we will use an A/B branch to send 20% of our leads to a junior rep who is just getting started, and the rest of our leads to a more senior salesperson. But we're not done yet. We don't want to overload our senior sales rep with too many new leads, so we will set up a rate filter so they will only get a certain amount of accounts assigned to them in one day.
By using Vendasta's automations to handle lead routing, you can save at least $4,000 a year by choosing a smaller Sales Hub plan and make sure you get the right lead to the right person at the right time. Not too shabby. I hope these examples got you excited to see how you can make Vendasta your automation hub not only for HubSpot, but your whole business. For more inspiration on integrating your favorite software with Vendasta, head to vendasta.com/integrations and browse for new ideas. We can't wait to see what you integrate next. I'm Jacob Surs, and I'll see you next time.